big guy. Watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know.
What's up? We're back at it. We are looking at a. Hold up. Did we do this? One pan Cajun pork and sausage skillet. Nope, we didn't. All right, they're all about the one pans. So back with HelloFresh. A little bag here. I'll open it up to see what's in it. Got the little sausage right here. Sorry, Queen, it's pork, but if I can think about maybe beef. Maybe go with a beef sausage. I'm not sure how it's going to taste, but we'll look at it and see. All right, let's go ahead and get this bag open. Tear it open. Open. What's in it? What's in it? Oh, this bell pepper. What is that? Parsley, fresh parsley. Onion. Tomato. Monterey Jack. What is that? Cajun spice. This is tomato paste. 2 teaspoons. No, it's tablespoons, I'm sorry. Yellow rice. What kind of rice is this? Jasper rice. All right, we got some hot sauce up in here and whatever. What is that? Let's see it. Oh, chicken stock. All right. More chicken stock. Yep, more chicken stock. Sour cream. Needs a lot of sour cream. And it's like more chicken stock. Right, so that's it. But I'm just going to make sure that we in the right place for the right thing. So what they want us to do first is prep everything. Wash and dry the produce. Yep, go ahead and get everything prepped. So if they want me to remove the sausage from the casings. All right, let's go ahead and get this done. Get the sausage uncased. First things first, you guys know how to do this. Just take it and you just score it. Then you take the skin and you open it up. There you go. Just put it on the inside parts. There we go. Bam. I'll do the same thing for the other one. All right, we're gonna take this next one. The same exact thing. Score it. Open it up. Almost like you folded it out. There you go. Push right out. Okay. Last one. Same thing. Same exact thing. Right, now let's roll this bell pepper. Take the core out. It's always weird when you try to follow somebody else's instructions. All open. Make sure to core it. Seeds out of it. And it says 1/2 inch. So what I'm gonna do is just slice them up like that. Then I'm gonna bam. And that's right at the 1/2 inch. I do the same for the other one. If you don't, well, we'll see. Maybe it becomes a little bit smaller. Because if you don't really care for the taste of the red pepper, you can always make that adjustment. So that's a red pepper. That's what I'm doing here. I have it's calling for 1/2 of an onion. I have 1/2 of an onion already. So I'm just gonna take that and course it and use that instead. So it's about the same thing. He just wants you to cut it up. About the same 1/2 inch type pieces. So you see, I just went that route with it. And I'm just gonna chop it from there. onion is good. So it's like we're gonna be a little chunky here, which is cool. Like chunky like me, mate. Now, ladies, let's run this tomato. Get them all chopped up here. Cut them in fours, and then cut them from there. Four. Bam, let's cut them. Use the top two because it wasn't that bad. All right, so we are in place. Yes, we're in place. The onion, the peppers, tomatoes, and of course the sausage. And it looks like our picture. Yes, sir. Get that up. Yes, sir. Get the sausage together. Let's just add a little olive oil, a little bit. Good way to get this in there. And we're gonna get these guys brown, of course, right? These guys started. We have to chop it up a little bit since they came out that casing. So I'm going to get these guys brown and together for about 3 or 4 minutes. It should be good to go. You guys stay tuned. Here we go, we're gonna roll. This is not done yet, just said 3 to 4 minutes. And we're gonna put the meat off to the side. And then of course, we're gonna put the vegetables in next in the same skillet. It's falling in directions. So guys, bell pepper. Says drizzle oil, boil, but I didn't need to. I already had some. Onion. Okay. And it looks like we're using all that we cut up, so I'm gonna put the rest of it there as well too. And you're gonna take this and you're gonna cook it 2 or 3 minutes as well. Get these guys all going. All right, guys, stay tuned. Just add a little salt and pepper. So I'm just got a little dash around here. Pepper if you like. And again, 2 to 3 minutes. It's good. It smells really good. That's the onion. Yeah. There we go. All right, these guys are ready. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and get our tomatoes in here. You really say rice first, bro. Let's get our rice. This is jasmine rice. The rice in here. It's all right here. Okay, rice is in there. We're gonna take our tomato paste. Sorry, is that right? Yeah, sorry. Tomato paste. Get that off up in there. Yes, sir. Put that in there. Then we got our Cajun spice. Run that in there. That's one thing I do know. It smells delicious. Get this guy mixed all around in there. I still got it on a medium heat. All right, let's see what the next step is. Half a hot sauce. Got 2 of these packs, so this is one of the packs. All right. Our stock, our chicken stock. Looks like we're adding all 3 of these at the same time. Okay. Got all 3 packs in here. And next we're gonna add 1.5 cups of water. We're going to add the first cup now. Yes, sir. Quieten it up, didn't it? As we have it now, I did around 2 cups of water. It says 3 cups of water for 4 servings, but It didn't like that. It didn't look like that much rice, so I didn't add the full things. I did use my own judgment. So it goes from here for like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna let that go, and then we're gonna add the sausage back. All right, next we have a sauce. Some parsley crema. So of course, while the rice cooks, we're gonna chop up parsley, sour cream, the other packets of hot sauce, salt and pepper, and stir in a little water, tablespoon at a time. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, sour cream. They use sour cream for everything, but it works though. You know, it works. I like it. Fine for the camera action, guys. So crap, 1 pack, 2 packs. Get these guys on. Okay. We're gonna go with our parsley. I had already chopped it up. Parsley. Go ahead and get our hot sauce. So the hot sauce all up in there. This is that Cholula. Comes in a nice little glass bottle with the wood type top. And then we're gonna take it and add a little salt, a little pepper. It says add like a teaspoon of water as needed. So I'm gonna just put a little teaspoon in here. Well, it's a little bit more than a teaspoon, but we're gonna work it out. Work it out. Yeah, it's almost perfect actually. It's already creamy. Just need to taste it. Yeah, look at that. Already creamy. Nice. And of course that'll go on top of the dish. All right. Let's go back over here and grab sausage. Add that to the dish. Yes, sir. Get it back up in there. Get it mixed all in there. It's just a little spicy. I can taste that. Sauce on my tongue. All right. And it's gonna go like this for about 15 minutes. So we'll come back once it's done, and it should be time to eat. You gotta stay tuned. Here we are. The end result. The end result. At this point, you salt and pepper, you know, to taste. I already tasted, so I had to add a little salt to it. I also had a little pepper as well, but it's great. It's good stuff. So you can see it or not. Really good. Let's go ahead and bowl it up, I guess. This is again now 1 pan pork sausage skillet. Just like you can't use chicken or beef sausage, or even chicken sausage. Yeah, chicken sausage. The idea how it looks. It looks delicious. It looks hearty. It looks really, really hearty. We're about to find out. Here we go. Here we go. Let's add a little cheese to this guy. This is that Monterey Jack. Let's add our drizzle here. What they call it? Drizzle. They called it the parsley crema. I think they're making these up, but I'm with the parsley crema. That's what that is, that parsley crema. They wanted you to do it to the way it drizzles, where you just pour it out, but I think this is good. It's a little bit different, you know, just a little bit. It's here and there. It's cool, it's cool. And I'm gonna go throw some green onions on top. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They'll be good, guys. Look at that. It's that 1 pan Cajun pork sausage skillet. Yes, sir. Look at that. That's great. Let's taste it. Here we are. Again, we'll see how it tastes. Make sure it is good to go, which I think it is. And it's skillet, and they want you to drizzle the parsley crema on top in the skillet. Okay, so I just put it in the bowl. So let's go ahead and taste it. See how it tastes. Of course, you know, you got your rice. And your sausage. This is pork sausage, but you can use chicken sausage. Looks really, really yummy. Doesn't look dry. No. is good. It's different. I never thought of just using sausage in the rice mixture. I used to use like turkey, ground turkey or ground beef, but cheese is good. You could add more cheese, but at this point, it's like however you like it. But I think what it is now is good. It's perfect. It's not too spicy. Look at it. It's not dry. That sauce is pretty good. I'm liking it. I really am. It's really like comfort food. Fancy comfort food. Good cheese. This is really good. Yeah, you're definitely like this, especially when it's cold. One pot. Well, one pan. One pan Cajun pork sausage skillet. Definitely 2 thumbs up. It's really good. Excuse me. Really good. I think the green onion tastes good on there too. It adds a different dimension. Add green onions. I'll say add green onions. Thank you for rocking with your boy. That was absolutely good. Again, if you don't do pork, queen, do chicken. They have chicken sausage or even turkey sausage. So, but I'll probably go with chicken. It's about the same consistency as this pork sausage. But other than that, it's really good. And I pray you guys are doing well. And I'm gonna see you beautiful people next video. God bless you. Peace.